Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming this video and I really hope that it goes up as soon as possible and not a couple weeks, couple months like my last one. This video is gonna be my everyday makeup that is updated. It's my new quick and easy makeup look that I've been doing for the last couple of weeks. So I decided to film it for you guys so you can see how I'm doing my makeup. Basically, the inspiration that I've been having for my makeup right now is something that's really light, simple, quick, and glowy. Like, I really like the whole idea of glowing. Like, I don't even care if I'm oily. Like, I just want to glow. So basically, that's what this look is. So if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because you'll see whenever I put out a new video. Also, one last important note before I start. This is supposed to be simple and like quick, so try not to care too much about like being perfect here and there. It's really like, nothing is super precise with this makeup look. The eyeshadow is really quick, the face is really quick and simple. There's no like carving out of my cheekbones, nothing. So just try and be quick with it. And yeah, with that being said, let's get on to this makeup tutorial. Okay, so this is supposed to be a quick and easy makeup tutorial, so I'm really hoping it stays that way. But let's start with priming our face. So I'm just taking this illuminating primer from SkinLab Instant Radiance Booster. I just took literally like one pump. Now taking Professional. This is from Benefit. It is their pore minimizing primer. So I'm only applying this to basically my T-zone because this is where my pores are. This is where I get oily, and it also is kind of like mattifying. So like always, for my eyebrows, L'Oreal Brow Stylist in the shade Brunette. Okay, so now I'm going to carve out my eyebrows like I always do, just because my eyebrows, they're going to frame my face, so I need them to be like on point. Even though we're just having minimal makeup still, I gotta have my eyebrows on point. This is just the foundation that I have from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna use it to basically carve out the upper part of my eyebrow. Also, you want to make sure you have a brush that is very pointed or just straight across at the tip of the brush, so you can get a nice line. And the amount that's going on my brush is like barely anything, like literally that much. This is my concealer from L'Oreal. It's the Pro Glow Concealer. And I'm going to use it to carve out underneath my eyebrow. Whew. Alright, so now I'm basically gonna highlight underneath my foundation instead of on top of it. Using my fingers to blend it in because this is a very moisturizing concealer and it blends really nice with my fingers, and it'll just give me a little more coverage. Now that everything is blended together and I kind of have an even base to start with, I'm going to go ahead and put the foundation on. And this one is a new one that I got. It's a foundation I picked up from my job, and it's a pressed powder, which I don't usually use. I just go with like liquid. So it's pressed powder and it has a bunch of other stuff in it. Like it's good for sensitive skin if you have sensitive skin. It's water resistant. And the way that I'm going to apply this today is with a sponge that I came with. I feel like this kind of makes it a full coverage powder if it's used with this. I'm going to go ahead and put my blush on now using the Tarte blush that I always use because it never runs out. Now I'm going to take my highlighter, which is from Anastasia, and it's a new amrezy highlighter. It gives you a really nice wet highlight look, which I really like. So first I'm going to spray the brush I'm using with like setting spray or any type of mist. Sometimes I use water, to be honest. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little break from makeup, and I'm going to kind of pause so I can moisturize and like prep my lips. So let's use any type of like Vaseline or whatever. Then I'm going to go ahead and put some peppermint oil on my lips to plump them up. And I'm going to be taking first So Bougie, the light brown, on my crease, and then chocolate truffle. I'm going to dust that right on top, just lightly. For the inner corner right here, I'm going to put this really pigmented color. It's called Rich Girl, and it's very shimmery. It's going right here. Whew! My god. So blinding. Taking Gold Dipped, this gold one, right on my lid. I'm going to take a little bit of the Rich Girl and just dust that over top the gold. Okay, so that's it for eyeshadow. Super simple, but like really brightening. Now my eyeliner, same as always, the e.l.f. one. And literally just one straight line across. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara. L'Oreal's Telescopic. Okay, so the lashes I'm putting on right now, I have no idea where they're from. but I think they're Ardell lashes. Okay, so now I got the lashes on. Time for my lips, which is like my favorite part are lashes and lips because it means I'm basically almost done, and they also are amazing. So okay, so to remove the oil that's on my lips, I'm just gonna take the back of my hand and like just kind of make out with it for a little bit. This is not really how I make out. Now that my lips are like this, I don't really want to stretch them out or smile too much, so just remember that and try not to do that. This is lip liner from Kylie, it's Maliboo. Then I'm gonna take Tarte lip paint. This color is so pretty. I think it's the shade Rose. It's literally so gorgeous. Take the excess off the brush, like literally as much as you can. Okay, so this is the final look of my simple, maybe not simple for everybody, but it's simple for me because this is literally like a 30-minute makeup look. And when your makeup is an hour and you cut it down to 30 minutes, it is simple and easy. So I hope you guys find this video helpful and easy to understand. I hope it's something that you guys would want to, you know, recreate yourselves. Oh my god, I'm sorry, it's so bomb. I can't stop staring in the mirror. I'm like, these lashes, ooh, these lips, ooh, skin glowing, ooh. Okay, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video.